Hi guys, welcome to Creative Artists. This is what we'll be editing today. I want to show you guys how I erased my eyeglasses on this picture. So follow carefully, learn, enjoy and edit. Okay, I'm going to open my Picsart now. And then I select my picture. When it opens, I click on remove. And then I zoom in my picture. And then I start to paint my glasses. You paint all the areas you want to remove. When you are done painting, then you click on remove. Then you save your project. Click on add photo. Select the picture that has the eyes that you want. Then you crop the eyes. After that, you adjust the eyes to be where your eyes are supposed to be. And then you click on the eraser icon. Then start erasing carefully around your eyes. Adjust your brush to your taste. And keep erasing till you get a good result. Then you reduce your brush opacity and hardness. And when you make an error, then you can click on restore, and then you restore the portions that you made errors on, and then you go back to erase. Okay, I think this one is better now. So what do you think? What do you think? You can always make your own much more better than mine. What do you think? What do you think about this editing? I hope you enjoyed the video. Do well to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this from me.